Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the 8th video of Module 5, and here comes a really very important message that you can surely not skip. So let's get into the video and see what is this message. Alright guys, so the first thing I want each and every one of you to do is to open this code along file for the linear regression and start coding every single line that I'm going to show you over here, so that by the end of this module, you are having your own linear regression model that you have created by yourself along with my guidance. And surely you can add any of your touch to it the way you want it. But the main thing is to enjoy this whole process, because trust me, there are a lot of libraries out there in Python which can make you create this kind of algorithm, train it and do everything in just 2 lines of code. But then that's just a tool that you are having. But how about creating our own linear regression from scratch? So I want to give you this type of experience. So please go ahead and open this notebook, and I am going to show you how you will be writing each and every code. And for a better practice, I've also added some kind of comments over here for us that's going to guide us as we go ahead in all the remaining videos of this module. And yes, this is the only one notebook that we are going to use for all of these upcoming videos. And one important thing over here for you to understand is that we are not really predicting a true star size. Rather, we are going to predict it for a dummy data set. However, in the upcoming module, you will be using a true data set. The reason we have chosen a dummy data set over here is to demonstrate how a linear regression works in order to predict, or I should say in order to learn the optimal values of the weights and bias. And all of these things will make sense only once you start coding along with me. But yes, there is one thing you need to know, that this is a dummy data set. On the basis of the brightness of the star, that's the random X values we'll be creating, you will be seeing that how the output of Y is getting predicted. Because now you exactly will be knowing what is the gradient, what is the Y-intercept, and therefore how your linear regression will get to that value of that Y-intercept and the gradient from the random values that we'll be giving it initially. So that's going to be super fun. I hope each and every one of you is as excited as I am to show you that how you can create your own linear regression model from scratch. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video over here. Now don't really forget to download this code along file and start coding along with me from the upcoming video.